this lesson, you will be researching different keyboard shortcuts. What is a keyboard shortcut? What are the benefits of using a keyboard shortcut? Pause this video and write your answers down on a sheet of paper. Okay, the big picture. Keyboard shortcuts are keys or combinations of keys, that means using more than one key, that provide an alternative way, so a different way, to doing something that you typically do with a mouse. Keyboard shortcuts are used to speed up the process of completing a task on a computer. Today's objectives. What is a keyboard shortcut? To be able to use a range of keyboard shortcuts. Your task would be to complete this table of shortcuts. You will use the internet to research what these keyboard shortcuts are and write a description in this column here. Now to do this, you will need to use the internet. If you go into a new tab on your browser, type in different keyboard shortcuts, for example, you will find websites that link you to pages that are suitable to help complete this task. Now once you've completed this task, there is another page for you to complete as well. Once you've done this, I'd like you to go on to the third table and find out what these shortcuts can do. When that is done, I'd like you to now research some of your own keyboard shortcuts that you've not learnt about and complete this table. Once you've finished this task, I'd like you to move on to the plenary. Can you explain what the following keyboard shortcuts are used for? Okay, you may now hand in your work.